is that welcome my I'm getting all my cameras set up. Oh, goodbye, douchebag. I don't know you. Goodbye. Love them. Love it. Love kicking them hacklers. Bye bye. Biting soldiers. Douchebag. All right, time to fish. Welcome to what are you fishing for? I'm fishing blue cats today. Blue cats using shad. Good old shad. Okay. I'm close to 4K, please help. Yeah. Well, I'm close to 2,000, so everybody's like to follow whatever. Go ahead. There's one. Of course, I'm going to be using shad. So I'm doing that. What bait I'm using? Shad. Using good old shad. I knew he was going to do that. There we go. I got you. Come here. Come here. Stop. Stop. There we go. Using shad. Going on my ugly stick. Yep, good old shad. And yes, they're running water today. Oh, where am I gonna put you at? Got here somewhere. You right out here somewhere. Right out there. Juice. A little more right there. Alright guys, hold on. There's one set up. Oh. I'm from Omaha. Welcome. I am from Sedalia, Missouri. In Missouri. I got 2 more poles to put up. This one's going on my. What is this? This one's going on a light action rod. That will be shad too. Putting shad on this one. Always make sure you get your scales off. Always get them scales off. Put you somewhere. Where I'm gonna put you at? Oh, I made a mistake. Got there, didn't I? That'd been bad. Oh, it just got bad. I don't know how that was, but okay. I'm gonna flat back, I guess. Hold on. Put him out there somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put him at. Find a place. Oh yeah! Right there's where I want you. Alright. Fucking brush. One more pole. Oh, hold on, I got it. Oh, what'd you send me, bud? Well, thanks for the likes, guys. Appreciate it. Send the like, thanks for the likes. Likes of love. Send some gifts too if you all want to. It's up to you. But, alright, so put this back around. It's recording and it won't pause. This one right here is my ugly stick. This is the one I'm putting a piece of shad on too. Always make sure you guys do not use the tail. They don't like the tails. Now we're almost set up. Last rod, get ready to go out. This one should be, this is the ugly stick. Medium action catfish rod. It's nice to have. It's good to use. Medium action, so it's good. Over here. There's where I want you. Got that for a country mile. There we go. Now we are set up, ready to go fishing. All right. We got me a dab already. Got me a taker already. Yeah, it's fucking with me. Oh, hello. Okay. Settle down. Settle down. I gotta keep this motherfucker. I gotta put it. Now that should work. Alright. Can y'all see me okay? I only got two of you in here, so I ain't worried about it. See the rods? Barely see them. If you want to come flying by here, don't give a shit about nobody else. Oh, I hate people like that. Well, you know what? I ain't got too many people on. Deuces. Sorry guys, I ain't got a very good platform right now until I get something worked out here where you can see it. You can see it there. Nope. Oh, shit. Oh, come on, baby. Hit that again like that. Oh, give me the damn rod. OMG. You get that hard. You get that hard. What about the damn camera? Oh, you get that one just hard. Ain't tickle bait. Savages. I gotta work on that damn camera. Yeah, perfect shot. You know what? They can see from there. I gotta have takedown action. See him. And now you can see it. Yep, those got hit, so. Oh, now I gotta rebait. Those are the funds of kickers. I don't use the heads, I just use the bodies of shad. Gizzard shad, that's what we're using today. Using gizzard shad today. Chair rat. Come here. Gotta figure out where I'm gonna put you guys at. I mean, they're bluegill. I mean, they're blue cats I'm looking for today. Wonder if I can put you here. Closer up here, I guess. Well, we're getting some immediate action here on this rod right here. This rod. This rod right here is one I'm getting action on. Now there. That one's gizzard. That's gizzard. All three poles are gizzard. So, hoping to get something. Come on. Playing with it. You don't want to take it. You want to take it? Come on, take it. Don't be shy. Alright, let's rain down here for a minute. Come on, record. Fish on, boys. Didn't get the camera on big enough time to get it, but he's doing some head shakes. Yeah, look at that bend. Yes, sir. That's what we're after right here. Come on. Yes, sir, that's what I'm after. You just got bigger now. He want to come up. He's good size. You got a little guy. Come here, you fucking fat thing. A fat girl. Yes, it is. It's a little pregnant one. Yes, sir. A little pregnant. Yes, you are. I'm gonna put you back in there. You here talking to me? Here talking to me? Here talking to me? Yes, sir. Little female. We're gonna put her back in so she can go lay some eggs. There she is. That's good size. Good size right there. Miller's blue cat. That's why it's called Miller's blue cat. Say bye. I caught her on shad. So we're gonna bait back up and we're gonna throw back out. Put these baits out. Put her back out where I had her. Way out there. Using shad, gizzard shad today. Hoping this video right here will help me get more into what I'm doing. Right here at the Ozark side, down by 7 Highway. They are running water today, so it is got a current. We do have a current. They are hitting pretty good so far. They're hitting pretty good, but we don't know how long the water's going to run for. It could run for a minute. It could run for a little bit. I don't know how long they're going to run water today, but I know Truman is producing water. They are flowing water today. Make sure y'all get all the scales off it too whenever you ever hook onto one of those. And yes, I do have I got my ugly stick, and I've got braided line with a 40-pound test braided line, and that's about all I got. I mean, I'm not sponsored by anybody yet, so we're hoping someday I'll get sponsored by somebody. But just time and effort, that's all it takes. few miles. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Of course, we got idiots out here swimming, so that's not helping any. We're gonna put some baits back on here and get them down. We're about to move spots here in a minute. I ain't had nothing here for about 30 minutes now, so I'm about to move spots. We'll look and move spots. See if we can find any place else to go. I go down a little bit on the flats. There's some good places to see in a little bit. Just when I think I'm getting ready to move. Get the towel. I've been tapping it, so we're going to check and see. It's hitting the bottom. Oh, I missed him. They come back. They come back. They come back. Always does. They always do. I ain't got a tripod to put you guys on, else I have to show you all let y'all see it, but I don't have a tripod. Anything like that to put you on. Anything here in the next 10 minutes, we're gonna reel them up and move on down. We're gonna reel up and move. I ain't getting nothing here. We're gonna roll up and move on down. Don't know where, but we'll move somewhere. Yeah, I think it's time to reel up and move. So I'll be right back. Yeah, I think it's time to reel up. As you why, just get some goddamn bait again. like that for there.